When I was teaching full-time, I always made a point of having something savory on the stovetop. I apply the same principles of baking and ingredient function to savory cooking. Beans are a worldwide source of nutrition. Begin by sorting and removing any debris. Using cool water, rinse the beans and then fill the pot to cover. Bring the beans to a quick boil, pull them off the heat and let them rest for 1 hour. Drain the pot and then refill it with cool water about 2 inches above the beans. At this point, you are going to observe the beans. Each time when you add water, you're going to bring the pot back to a quick boil and then down to a good simmer. And as the water reduces, you're going to stir the beans so that they don't stick. You're going to test for doneness and then you'll add more water, bring it to a boil and then a simmer until the beans get to the point where you prefer them. I prefer al dente, and you can tell that the cooking liquid is getting darker and they are getting softer. But I don't like mushy beans because all of these beans are going to go into different recipes throughout the week. That is why I'm not adding any additional seasonings or a recipe. Store the beans in your cooler with or without the cooking liquids. Don't worry about the directions on the bag or what other people tell you. This is a great way to add protein to your diet throughout the week, and it could not be easier.